If you are a Pulsar Ns200 owner and suffering from the back pain issue, then this video is for you. Today we are going to replace our Pulsar Ns200 hard monoshocker with the Dominar 400 monoshocker. It cost me for 3,449 rupees. I am giving away my old Pulsar Ns200 monoshocker to my subscribers. The person who makes the 200th comment on this video, they will get this shocker. Ns200 stock monoshocker work like this. It's too hard. And this is the reason why I am replacing my monoshocker with the Dominar 400 monoshocker. Watch the full video for get an idea how to change Pulsar Ns200 monoshocker with Dominar 400 monoshocker and how it works.
Replacing stock Ns200 shockabsorber with Dominar 400 shockabsorber 2024 model. So stay tuned with travelleraj. First of all, we need to remove back seat. Then remove the front seat. For removing monoshocker, you need to remove your battery set and battery tray, which is placed below the battery. Unplugging the battery, take care of. First remove the positive terminal, then remove the negative terminal. Take out the battery from the battery tray and keep it set. Here is the battery tray. You need to remove this battery tray for removing rear monoshock. Take out these three hooks. You put them on this fan. Removing the three nuts. Take out the battery tray. Keep it side. Don't move the nuts. Keep it into battery tray. And now you can remove your back shocker by Allen key. Remove these two bolts and take out the side panels from both sides. Start your monoshock replacing process by removing upside nut. Start your monoshock removal procedure with removing first upside nut with and I think removing this nut with two holes because I have a short Allen key. Then make it loose the second nut, which is placed the downside at this place. Due to short Allen key, it is slightly difficult to remove this nut. If you can have the long Allen key, you can remove it easily. Below the right. After losing the downside, take out the upside nut. Upside nut bolt. Now, first place the jack below the inlet and after that you can remove this one. Finally, we take out these two nuts. Now you can remove your shocker easily. The bike without shocker. I will show you what is the difference between two shockers by placing these top shockers side by side. This is the Ns200 stock shocker, and this is the Dominar 400 rear monoshock. This is the Ns200 stock shocker, and this is the Dominar 400 rear monoshock, which comes with two springs, and weight for the shocker is 3 to 4 kgs. Easily suitable for Ns200. It comes with same size. So now we are going to replace stock monoshock with Dominar 400 monoshock. So let's get started. Same as how you remove stock Ns200 shocker, you can adjust your new shocker in that way. First adjust with upside, then adjust with lower side. Check this alignment and insert the bolt here. Don't full tight it half and then adjust this nut. Then you can tighten both the nuts tight. Make the alignment like this, then your nut can easily go inside. So, grease your nut before inserting. At the final, don't forget to fully tight your nut with Allen key. Both the nuts, upside nut and downside nut. And now, this is looking great. Then this shocker. After tightening the two nuts, you can take out the jack. And install these parts which we removed. Place the battery tray as it is. Now it looks good. fully tight these 3 nuts, and after that you can place here the battery. At the time of fitting the battery, first attach negative terminal, and only after that attach the positive terminal. Go. Now you can get the seats. So placing the seats, place back the side panels. The final replacement of monoshocker from the motor uneven, and the right bit was very fine on this. But I need to upgrade it to the top of this monoshocker because it's very hard to do the right. But shocker. I need to upgrade it from the motor because it's very hard. I think smoother than the shocker. Now I think now we can figure right. Dominar 400. I will give you next video. You know the travelleraj video. And do not forget to subscribe. Travelleraj.
And this is the result after installing Dominar 400 Monoshocker in Pulsar Ns200. Really, it's working smoothly. You can go for this Dominar 400 Monoshocker. Thanks for watching the travelleraj YouTube channel, and do not forget to subscribe.